Haulover Beach, located in Miami, Florida, is a popular destination known for its pristine shoreline, vibrant atmosphere, and inclusive culture. This beach stretches along a scenic expanse of the Atlantic Ocean, offering stunning views, clear waters, and soft white sand. It is part of Haulover Park, a larger recreational area that includes picnic facilities, tennis courts, and a marina, making it an excellent spot for both relaxation and outdoor activities. One of Haulover Beach's most unique features is its clothing optional section, which has made it famous among visitors seeking a more liberated beach experience. This section is well marked and managed to ensure privacy and respect for all guests. Families and individuals who prefer traditional beach going can enjoy other areas, which are equally well-maintained and welcoming. The beach provides amenities such as lifeguard stations, restrooms, and food concessions, ensuring visitors have a safe and comfortable experience. Additionally, the park surrounding Haulover Beach offers lush green spaces and shaded picnic areas, making it a great choice for gatherings or a relaxing day out. Water sports enthusiasts frequent Haulover Beach for activities like swimming, kiteboarding, and paddleboarding, as the waters are generally calm and inviting. On certain days, the beach hosts events like kite festivals, adding to its lively and inclusive atmosphere. Its proximity to Miami's urban core makes it easily accessible while still offering a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The best time to visit Haulover Beach is during the winter and spring months, from November to April. During this period, Miami enjoys warm, sunny weather with lower humidity and minimal rainfall, making it ideal for beachgoers. Temperatures are typically in the comfortable range of the mid-70s to low 80s Fahrenheit, providing perfect conditions for sunbathing, swimming, and outdoor activities. Visiting during these months also avoids Miami's hurricane season, which runs from June to November. While summer brings hotter temperatures and a vibrant atmosphere, the heat and occasional rain showers can be less appealing for some visitors. For a quieter experience, weekdays are usually less crowded than weekends, and mornings tend to be the calmest time of day. If you're interested in events like kite festivals or gatherings at the clothing optional section, it's worth checking the local event calendar to plan your visit accordingly.